Okay, testing some eggs. Had them in the refrigerator for several weeks. Couldn't get to them. We got chickens. We have a lot of eggs, period. Anyway, you get a container, fill it full of cold water, and you place your eggs in the container. Don't drop them in there. Run them all the way to the bottom and release them. Most of them, if they are good, will go ahead and remain on the bottom. The bad ones will float up. Look at this one. Just like a fishing bobber. Watch. Take it to the bottom. Yep, that one's bad. Some of the older eggs will go ahead and just turn upwards, kind of sit up, but they won't come to the top. They're still good to eat. But the ones that are like a fishing bobber, look at this, once again. Boom. That's a bad egg. There you go. I hope this tip helps. You don't want to eat bad eggs. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below.